Hello guys, it's the iPhone 12 here. I just cut into Santiago's intro. But anyway, this is gonna be a video of me, Santiago, and Melly doing this zombie thing. So yeah, this is gonna be the first part into it. And yeah, and Santi's just recording me now.
We will go down the street because it's like really dark.
But if you wanna see Santi's point of view, go check out his channel. Santiago Cardona. And yeah, it's really fun. He made the. And go check out his cousin's channel too. So yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, my cousin's channel, but it's really hard to search because like, you know, his is like a normal name like mine. So yeah, so especially mine. So just search Santiago Cardona GTA 5. Let's say like one of the titles I did. So yeah, yeah. So we're doing the zombie thing, and you guys hear Daniel, okay?
Yeah, that's why we didn't do the oh hello. Top of the morning, Santiago's channel. So that's why we didn't you know do okay. So that's why we didn't do the Star Wars thing, because we decided to make zombie. I feel like that'll be more fun, you know. So yeah, Melly's gonna be mostly the zombie. So yeah. So mostly we're gonna use the zombie strike gun. And for the first episode, just the first episode, the first two episodes, she's gonna use this gun. So she's gonna be alive for 2 episodes. Go on, team. Okay. So yeah. And I just spoiled it. You died. Oh no. Okay, whatever. So see you guys when we get to it. I already ended it. Okay. So Santi, did you end it?
No, I can't.
Why?
You know, like I don't have that camera thing. You know, the editor.
Press the button.
All
Oh,
right.
you can't end it. Forgot.
Exactly.
So yeah, so that's weird. So Santi's channel just gonna see the behind the scenes, just in case you fail.
Well, I'm just gonna see how it looks like
Daniel,
with the gun thing in
I
it.
think you should we should make a lot of footprints, and so then it will look like zombies will walk. We will.
All right. Okay, so what do we do now? So.
Oh yeah, we're gonna start. We're just making some footprints because.
All right. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. You guys can skip this part if you want.
Behind the scenes in Santiago Cardona. Yeah. So, I'm gonna start recording now. So, what should we have?
All right, so we're starting
This is how we
now.
normally record, guys. This is how we normally record. Like the gun battle thing, this is how we did it. We like really think what's gonna happen. So, what are we gonna do? So, what's the video? Okay, first, we're gonna. Hold on, I'm gonna record.
You can't record what was happening.
I can't do that. Melly, I don't have the editor thing. So I guess we start now.
Okay, hold on, not yet. I'm gonna say what our jobs are gonna be. Hello, guys, and we're back, and I missed a little thing, you know, a little bad thing. I missed the part where what our jobs are. So I'm gonna be a cop, but I failed to become a cop. So I have a gun, but I'm a businessman. So I left the gun at my house, and I go to do my businessman. So why did I bring a gun and go to like a big, you know, business place, a building? So, and Santi's gonna be, what were you?
I was like, I forgot. I was a guy in the army base.
You like created guns and stuff.
Yeah, created.
And
Yeah.
a nurse at the army base that dies in the second episode. Because we need zombies, and we don't want to have imaginary zombies. That's what we normally do. That's what we did to practice. We practiced once, so that's what we normally
Not
do.
in the camera.
No, not camera. Okay, so yeah, wait, hold on. I want to see how it looks like if I throw it. Oh crap! Oh wait, I shouldn't have done that. Oh my gosh,
Yo,
I shouldn't have done that. Hold up.
dude, you could break your iPad like
I
that.
know. I forgot it's water too.
Have you noticed?
Okay, I just did the dumbest idea. Man, actually, I kind of cleaned it. Okay, but anyway. So
That's
see you
pretty
guys,
true.
and when I see you, we're gonna start.
Alright.
So, where should we start? So, first we have to start with like Melly, and the Santi's creating a gun.
Alright, so like, okay, so like I'm creating.
So
the
I'm
gun.
gonna hold the camera and I'm gonna point Santi, and Santi's gonna be pushing the gun. So
Okay.
I'm gonna hold the camera for Santi.
Alright.
So here, I'm gonna make sure. Okay, no, I line the thing. I'm gonna hold the camera.
Alright.
Just align the thing. Make sure you see yourself and make the gun.
Alright.
So like line the camera. I'm gonna see how well first person view is. I don't know. Let's see how first person view is. Wait, hold on. Oh, okay. I gotta go over there. Hold on, let me be there. Okay. Press the record button.
Alright.
Okay.
So this is my gun. I think you could barely see it. But it's right here.
Yeah, the hammer shot. Yeah, it's right here, and I'm gonna leave it right here. And this is what I did. I like painted on it. Okay. So that was my job for the for the zombie thing. So yeah Okay, so
This is your journal.
this is my journal. Yeah, this is my journal for the zombie thing. And yeah.
Journal entry 1.
Journal entry. So I was painting on some guns. And then I just heard these guys screaming in the army. Oh crap, what the heck is that? Oh god. No.
Get him! Get him down!
Crap. Guys, see ya guys. Oh my god, I gotta do this quick. Ah!
Woo! That was awesome.
Yeah,
Sound effects, perfect sound. Where did Melly go? Melly just left. Perfect sound. Hold on, let's go find Melly.
the fuck where'd she go? Oh, she's right there. Right behind you.
What? Oh, get him! Oh, we should have had a flashlight. That'd be a good idea. We could have tape the flashlight here. Oh, what the hell?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Ah, okay, Melly! Oh my gosh, Melly, I actually got a flashlight. Okay, can I see it?
No, I'm using it.
I know, I want to see it. Okay. No, I want to see how that looks.
Dude, should I put the record button?
It's not
You
really.
have to be more over there.
I don't think you can really see the flash, really. Okay, there you go. That's cool. Okay, here. Okay. So, Melly, so now we're gonna do your job thing. So you're gonna be, let's say you're gonna be you're doing surgery on Santi. So, you're doing surgery on Santi. So, I'm gonna hold both cameras. Okay. So, you're doing surgery on Santi. So, Santi, lay on the floor. Make sure that he does. Okay, Santi, put your hoodie on so they don't see your face. Yeah, see, this is low people budget thing. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna start recording. Whoa, you can't see a thing. Hold on. Wow, that looks weird. Hold on. I'm gonna put down this camera. Put it here. Okay, you guys can see, but I gotta hold this camera. Okay, ready, set, go.
Wow. Okay. You need to operate it. That's a really big bullet. Okay. So.
Oh crap.
Okay, guys.
Daniel! Oh, I'm sorry. Daniel, your mom's on the phone. She wants you to go home now.
Okay,
All right?
I'll make her see later.
Okay. All right. Bye, Daniel.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was journal entry 1. That was part 1. So we're gonna separate the videos. Sorry about this, guys. This video was lame, but okay. So
zombie apocalypse. I'm gonna post
so
this up as like the first episode. And the first episode.
so this is like the first episode. So like we're gonna be doing a series. So this is like episode 1.
One season.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't want to go too much. I don't like going to only one idea too much. I get bored and want to do a different idea.
Okay.
This is why we changed the song.
Yeah. Okay. So see you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave in the comments below what should we really do. Okay, so he's saying bye right now. Okay, so leave in the comments what should I really do in part 2, cause like, wait, what? Okay, so leave in the comments. So yeah, leave in the comments what you should do for part 2, and yeah, because like I don't really I don't know what to do. So see you guys and see you. Okay, so bye guys.